Hello friends, welcome to Ever Eating. In today's video, I am going to show you the unboxing and review of the Ant Audio W56 wired earphones, so stay tuned. Also, if you are new here or have not subscribed yet, then please click the subscribe button as well as turn on notifications so that you never miss any update from Ever Eating. So, let's begin. So guys, here is the box of the Ant Audio W56 earphones. It says it has an inline mic, it has call, receive and end buttons, and it says it is ideal for home, outdoor, fitness, gym, travel and office. And here is the model number, that is W56. It says it is an in-ear monitoring earphones. Now let's move on to the side. It has the contents on it. It says it has 3 sized earpieces, large, medium and small, a pair of hooks and a clip for cable fixing. Here is the QR code for Ant Audio's website, and here are the devices it is compatible with: laptops, tablets, iPods, MP3s, mobile phones, and of course smartphones. And here is the back of the box. It mentions the specifications of the earphones. The MRP written on the box is $12.99, although it is available on sale on Amazon at $5.99. It says it has 9mm drivers and has a cable length of 1.2 meters. You can also pause the video and read the specifications if you want to. The color I ordered is blue, and here are some of the features of the earphones. It says it has noise cancellation, explosive bass, hi-fi stereo sound, an inline mic, flat cable and is light in weight. So those were all about the features and specs of the earphones. Now let's move on to the unboxing. Let me grab my cutter and cut out the heat shrink. Let me cut the seal over here, and now let's open the box. And here is the box. Whoa! The box looks cool. It has nice matte finish on it and is made of tin. It has this nice Ant Audio logo on it, and here is the bottom of the box. It says designed in UK, and here is the website address. Now let me open the seal, and now let's open it. Whoa! It looks like we got some stickers over here. The stickers are cool and funky. And here is a welcome card by Ant Audio. It says exclusive reward on it, and we need to follow some steps to get a reward. And here is the manual of the earphones. It says some methods to control our music, calls, etc. But note carefully that it may not work on some smartphones, alright? And here are the earphones sitting comfortably on a thick foam seat. Let's take it out and keep it aside, and let's see what else we got in the box. Here's the cable clip, and here are the earpieces of different sizes, and there's nothing else in the box. Now let's move on to the review. The earphones are of decent quality and they have a cool design. They are tilted on an angle of 45 degrees. Now let's move on to the overview of the earphones. The earphones have LNR printed on them, and the earpieces are quite good and soft, and the hooks are also the same. The wire is flat and is of very good quality. You can twist them as well, but they still are very good. They prevent the hassle of detangling them and are very nice. The wire length is good, and the center console includes the play pause button and the inline mic. But the con is that The earphones are not magnetic. There are two consoles on the earphone. One acts as a hub for connecting the wires and the other is a controller. The 3.5mm jack is gold plated and is tilted, not straight, and has an AND audio branding. Its gold plating ensures good connectivity. Now let's move on to the testing of the earphones. The earphones fit quite well on big ears, but begins to fall or loose up on small ears like mine, but sometimes it holds a bit tightly. Anyways, the noise cancellation is very good and it is quite well for audiophiles. Now, the mic testing. The audio you are hearing right now is coming from the inline microphone of the AND Audio W56 wired earphones. If you like the audio, please leave a like to the video and also post a comment in the comment section. Now let's move on to the conclusion. At last, in conclusion, I want to say that if you are looking for a decent pair of earphones at a price of Rs 500 to 600, then you can surely go on to buying these earphones, because at such a budget there is no other earphones which provides such good bass and active noise cancellation. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, share this video, comment if you have any doubts, and please subscribe to Ever Eating for more of such kind of unboxing and review videos. Ever Eating, everything interesting.